battery operated. All right, now we can I always have to get a little clip in there somehow. Quite the little rig, isn't it? When you're out traveling, especially in the winter time, right? Bringing it home. I think your son's gonna like this. I'm telling you, it is. There's not much to it. It's just the right. It is. It's not too. You don't want it too strong because it blows the dirt into your bearings or something, right? But it's like. I bring a brush, but. Need it. Adjust it, and the pump even slows down. Push it up.